Hi guys, Corpse Bride and Buddy here. Say hi, bud. And hi to you too. So what I did is I hid milk bone dog treats all over the backyard. Well, there's 4 of them. And Buddy's objective is to find them. Ready, bud? Ready? Go get them! Go get them! Where'd they go? Find them! Find them! He's got to do it all by himself. Probably going to be standing in that one spot for a good while. Come on, bud. Find him. Come on, buddy. There's like one right here at my feet. Buddy, come on, find it. There's one over there, over by the tree, and one in the corner. Come on, bud, you can do it. I know you're not bright, but come on. Oh, buddy, buddy. Come here. Look, there's one. I've got to help him with the first one. Buddy, there's one right here. What are you doing? Come here. Oh, are you going to find the one in the corner? Bud. Look here. Come on. There's one right here. And this is why you're not a hunting dog. Come here. There's a treat right here. Come on. There we go. I think he's got it. Nope. It's right here. It's right here. Look. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Look here, buddy. It's right here. Come on. Buddy, come here. The treat's right here. Get it. Come on. It's right there. There's one. Now you're just going to slink off and eat it. Not going to find the other 4 or 3, are you? Took you almost 4 minutes to find a treat, dude. I should bring Momo out here. All right, come here, Momo. Momo, come here. Want a treat? Come here, Momo. Maybe you can do a bit better job than what Buddy's doing. Come on. Go get him, Mo. Mo's notorious for finding turtles. Come on, Mo. Go get him. Go get him. You're not helping matters any either. Ugh. Come here, boys. Look. Here's number 2 over here. Let's see which one catches on. Come here, boys. There's a treat over here. First one over here gets it. Oh. I think you're picking on. Come on, you can do it. What are you doing? Oh, well, this was a bust. Buddy. Come on, you almost had it. Come on. 2 breeds of hunting dogs, and Buddy had to have help finding them. Buddy, come here. Come here, Boomba. Buddy. Right there. Come on, come here. Come on. Buddy. And he'd rather go bark at the neighbors. Well, guys, this was Corpse Bride hunting fail for 2 different breeds of hunting dogs. The Chocolate Lab and the Blue Tick Coonhound. Fail. Oh, wait. Did you find one? Except for there's not one in the middle of the frickin' yard. Okay, let's try this again. Momo! You're standing right on top of one, dum-dum. Momo! Go get it, Mo. Get it, Mo, get it. Buddy, you move too slow. Here's where I hid the second one. Buddy's digging grounds. Here's number 3. Dude, here's number 3. Not sponsored by Milkbone. Sit. Sit. Can you lay down? No. Down. Sit up. Shake. No, shake other. High five. Buddy. High five. Good boy. High five other. Come on. Good boy. Jump. Hey. Jump. Up, up. And now, whoo, dog bombs, dog bombs. Oh, crap. Quite literally. Where did I put the other one? Oh, here it is. I almost stepped on it. Mo! Mo, you want the last one? No wonder you 2 aren't hunting dogs. You 2 suck. Come here, Mo. Go get it. Any parting words, bud? Other than you can't hunt squat? Mosey Momo. Anything's a word, Chubbo? Anything else to say? You're a good boy, Mosey Mo. You're a good boy, Mosey Momo. Good boy, Momo. Buddy. Who's a good boomba? Huh? Who's a good boomba? Say bye, buddy.